Hello, my name is James. Welcome to PCMA, the Property Conversion Mastery Academy, where ambitious professionals become elite developers. Cost control mastery, the key to maximizing profit margins. It is available for free inside our Hidden Wealth Code course. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your property development approach. Did you know 3 developers just went bankrupt, all from the same £50,000 cost overrun? Here's the shocker. 73% of UK conversions run more than 30% over budget, wiping out an average of £47,000. Be honest, could your project survive that hit? Most can't, but the top 13% follow a proven system that turns conversions into a valuable profit machine. Our proven 3-pillar system. Pillar 1. Done-for-you implementation. Our expert team doesn't just teach you, we execute your projects alongside you, guaranteeing results. Pillar 2. Comprehensive education and tools. You get the complete mastery curriculum plus professional-grade systems used by million-pound developers. Pillar 3. Peak performance integration. We train your brain using neuroscience-backed techniques to spot profitable opportunities others miss. 2025 has created the perfect storm for property developers. Material costs have exploded 40% since 2022. Labor shortages are driving wages up 25%. Hidden regulatory costs are averaging £15,000 per project. Costs most developers never see coming. The failed developers blame the market. The successful ones master cost control. What's the difference? A systematic approach that turns these challenges into competitive advantages. While your competitors struggle with cost overruns, you'll be implementing proven frameworks that protect and maximize every pound of profit. The question isn't whether costs will rise. It's whether you'll be prepared when they do. The 5-step system transforms developers from cost reactive to cost proactive. Step 1 builds a Developer-CFO mindset, treating every decision as financial. Step 2 creates a strategic blueprint through pre-construction planning that prevents costly problems. Step 3 powers execution with active cost control and value engineering. Step 4 introduces professional tools and templates that automate financial management. Step 5 measures success by tracking KPIs and driving continuous improvement. Most developers build first and count later, but elite developers think like CFOs, every decision is financial. This shift rests on 3 pillars: proactive cost awareness, strategic budget optimization, and uncompromising financial control. But mindset isn't enough. You need the A-team, a RICS-accredited QS for accurate cost planning, plus an architect and structural engineer to safeguard profits. Together, this elite mindset and professional team deliver peak performance integration, training your brain while building your business. Before making any offer, you need a bulletproof strategic blueprint. Step 1 is a feasibility study, analyzing acquisition costs, market and planning risks, BCIS projections, and GDV, with a non-negotiable 15 to 20% margin. Step 2 is cost deconstruction. Hard costs like structural and utility work, soft costs like fees and finance, plus a 10 to 20% contingency for hidden costs. Step 3 is master budget creation. Your QS builds a standardized line-item cost plan that evolves with the design. This blueprint is your ultimate profit protection system. Once construction begins, you need an execution engine that drives profit optimization. Strategic procurement builds strong contractor relationships, backed by robust JCT or NEC contracts and detailed BOQs. E-tendering can save up to 12%, while value engineering delivers smart savings through the 3 Fs: fabric, finishes, and fixtures. Think hybrid roofs, premium materials only where visible, and landscaping at half the cost. With tech platforms like Procore, Access Coins, and April for real-time control and reporting, you move beyond cost control to systematic profit optimization. Professional developers need professional tools. Tool 1: the Cost Control Dashboard, your visual command center for budget tracking, contingency monitoring, risk alerts, and cash flow projections. Tool 2: the Master Budget Tracker, multi-tab spreadsheets with auto-updating formulas, variance analysis, and live dashboard integration. Tool 3. The Value Engineering Calculator. Structured proposal documentation, lifecycle cost analysis, and quantified savings tracking. These aren't basic spreadsheets. They're the same professional-grade tools used by million-pound developers. Elite developers measure success with professional KPIs, not gut feelings. Profitability is tracked through net operating income, return on cost, 15 to 20% target, and ROI. Efficiency is monitored with budget and schedule variance. But data alone means nothing without improvement. Post-project reviews, covering reconciliation, lessons learned, cost accuracy, and database building, create a feedback loop that makes each project more profitable. PCMA members using this system consistently outperform the market by turning mistakes into measurable gains. This is peak performance integration, using data to drive smarter decisions and compound success over time. Manchester project. Budget £180,000, but strategic value engineering. Hybrid roof, smart sourcing, precise finishes, cut £22,000, final cost £158,000, profit up without compromise. Bristol project, budget variance minus 2.1%, 3 days early, return on cost 18.4%, profit £67,500. The drivers. Real-time tracking, proactive variance management, and strategic procurement. These aren't one-offs. PCMA members consistently outperform industry averages by applying proven frameworks, not guesswork. This is the power of done-for-you implementation, comprehensive education, and peak performance integration. Here's your action plan. Apply for the PCMA course, access the Hidden Wealth Code course, which contains all these frameworks and tools, provided completely free for applicants. Implement the cost control system on your next project. Measure results and scale with done-for-you implementation support. The Hidden Wealth Code course, containing every framework, template, and tool I've shown you today, costs nothing for applicants. This isn't about selling you something, it's about identifying the elite developers who deserve our highest level of support.